Good morning, students. Welcome to your new academic year. As we are still in the midst of COVID-19 situation, we are forced to start your new semester using online platform. Hope you will understand the situation and cooperate with us. Myself, Hima S., Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Trinity College of Engineering. For this semester, I will be teaching you Design and Engineering paper. Subject code is EST 200. Design and Engineering is a new course introduced by APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, Kerala for BTech students. This is a common course for all BTech students irrespective to their departments. The syllabus for this course is contemporary and will help the students to gain knowledge and skill sets of engineering design process. This course is more practical oriented, hence students should exercise some practical questions as well. While checking last year question papers, it is clear that most of the questions are generalized and it requires more creativity to answer. Let's begin this session by a famous quote from our former president and the missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, knowledge makes you great. Here is the syllabus for design and engineering. In design and engineering, you have 5 modules. First module includes design process. Second module includes design thinking approaches. Third module includes design communication or the languages of engineering design. And the fourth module includes engineering design concepts. And the fifth module includes expediency, economics and environment in design engineering. So these are the 5 modules that you have to study in design and engineering paper. We will discuss each module in detail later. Listen students, so we are studying design and engineering paper. Engineering design is the process of devising a system, component or process to meet desired needs. It is a decision-making process in which the basic sciences such as mathematics and engineering sciences are applied to optimally convert resources to meet a stated objective. Among the fundamental elements of the design process is the establishment of objectives and criteria, synthesis, analysis, construction, testing, and evaluation. Thus, although engineers are not the only people who design things, it is true that the professional practice of engineering is largely concerned with design. It is often said that design is the essence of engineering. To design is to pull together something new or to arrange existing things in a way to satisfy a recognized need of society. We shall adopt the following formal definition of design. Design establishes and defines solutions to and pertinent structures for problems not solved before or new solutions to problems which have previously been solved in a different way. The ability to design is both a science and an art. The science can be learned through techniques and methods to be covered in this text, but the art is best learned by doing design. It is for this reason that your design experience must involve some realistic project experience. So for this reason, we are studying this brand new paper, Design and Engineering. Yes, our world is full of problems: war, homelessness, global warming, domestic violence, this COVID-19, flood. The list goes on and on. In a world that seems to be always on the brink of disaster, there is an endless amount of work to do to help the earth heal from the pollution of every kind, to ensure adequate nutrition, housing, education, and healthcare to every person, to bring peace among the nations and in every city and village and home. And yet, if all of this is done and there is no engineers, the world will still be a sad, sorry, joyless place. So, that engineers keep solving the problems and make the world a better place to live. Also, we engineers can go wrong as well, as you can see. Whether we make it or not, it is determined by and large by its scope, that is, design. The engineering design process is a systematic iterative problem-solving method which produces solutions to meet human wants and desires. An engineer is the custodian of design. A design engineer is an engineer focused on the engineering design process in any of the various engineering disciplines such as civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, aerospace, architecture, etc. Design engineers tend to work on products and systems that involve adopting and using complex scientific and mathematical techniques. The emphasis tends to be on utilizing engineering physics and other applied sciences to develop solutions for society. During the design process, the responsibilities of the engineer may include defining problems, conducting and narrowing research, analyzing criteria, finding and analyzing solutions, and making decisions. Much of an engineer's time is spent on researching, locating, applying, and transferring information. So, the purpose of this subject, design and engineering, is to introduce the engineering students the fundamental principles of design engineering and to make you understand the steps involved in the design process and to familiarize you with the basic tools used in design process and the various approaches in design. Hope you will understand the session. This video is just an introduction video of the design and engineering paper. We will discuss each module in detail in the coming video lectures. Thank you.